Hey everyone, it's September 15th, 2022, and if all you've been a great day today. And today is an awesome day. I'm getting new mods for my WRX. Like I said in my last video, it's time to modify the car, engine mods, new cosmetic mods, make more power, and make it look awesome. So today I am going to show you some of my new Aero pieces I got for the car. So far I ordered a new front lip, side skirts, rear diffuser, and other things that I'll show you guys in later videos. I ordered my front lip and my side skirts from Subaru Speed, and originally I was going to go carbon fiber for both, for all the Aero pieces, but I remembered from my BRZ and my Civic before, every time I got expensive carbon pieces, especially the front lip, even the side skirts on my BRZ, they always got destroyed, and I always paid more than $500, $700, $800 for my side skirts on my BRZ, and I don't want to go through that headache again of breaking expensive Aero pieces. So what I did is I found the Aero pieces that look great, that aren't too expensive, couple $100 for the lip, couple $100 for the side skirts, so if I do have to replace them, I could, no problem. So as of right now, my front lip came in, and I'm gonna unbox it for you guys, and I'm so excited to get these installed. My side skirts were supposed to deliver today, but UPS lost it, it's delayed. Hopefully it'll come tomorrow, if not the next day. If it doesn't, I have to reach out to Subaru Speed, hopefully get a new one. And hope you guys enjoyed this video today, and let's get this unboxing started. So taking a look at the UPS site here, my front lip delivered, and looking at my side skirt here, it's delayed, and there is no estimated delivery date. And I've had bad experience with both UPS and FedEx with deliveries, so hopefully my side skirt comes in tomorrow. Look at this. New front lip for the WRX. Alright guys, we got new Aero pieces for my WRX coming in. Today, it was my new front lip that I'm really excited to get installed. I also have my side skirts. It should have delivered with this, but it's delayed through UPS. These are going to make my WRX look so aggressive, and I'll get these installed really soon. So right now, let's get all this packaging off it so I can show you my new front lip. This is my new front lip for my WRX, and there's two pieces to them. There's like the winglets that go on the sides, and this is the lip itself, and it's gonna look so good. I also got the matching side skirts with the winglets as well. By the way, I got this from Subaru Speed, and the packaging was honestly phenomenal. As you can see, I went with Maxxin Design. It's OLM Maxxin Design front lip, and I got the winglets that's gonna look awesome. And I haven't seen a lot of people with the winglets. I saw people with the lip itself, but not with the winglets that come with it. Alright guys, here is my new front lip, and man, the quality of this looks phenomenal. As of right now, the lip and the winglets for the lip have this protective layer on it. I can peel a little piece off here. So this is the color it's gonna be. And this quality looks phenomenal, especially for the price. So this is all the cover here, but I'm gonna keep it on until I get it installed. And we have the hardware here for the lip, and that's a lot of hardware. And it's a good sized lip, and it's one of those lips that's gonna really give me actual downforce for the car, and it's gonna look phenomenal. It's gonna be secure. But look at all this hardware. This is just for the front lip, and they have even more hardware for the winglets, which is crazy. To be honest, I haven't seen this setup on any car before. On YouTube, can't find it. Anyone with the winglets and this lip here. It has a protective coating on it. It's the same color as this. And oh, it's beautiful, look at that. So to give you guys an idea of how these look, the winglet is gonna bolt on underneath the lip here. Man, this is gonna look sick, look at this. And this is a solid piece of wood right here, look at this. This is definitely solid, the hardware looks high quality. Hey everyone, so it's the next day right now, and the UPS website says my side skirts delivered today. They actually got lost. It was supposed to deliver with my front lip. Take a look at that. Delivered today, Friday, September 17th at 11:14 a.m. So it was about an hour ago. And I'll head down to the garage right now to bring these up and unbox them. Alright guys, so I just brought this box up that has my side skirts in it, and this was actually lost by UPS. It was supposed to deliver yesterday with my front lip, and this was actually 6 hours out of the way, and they had to reroute it back to deliver in the Chicago area. But when I saw this box for the first time, it is beat up. Honestly, it is. When I got it, it was completely flat like this. You can see that it looks like it was retaped, to be honest with you. I'm not sure what happened if it opened, and I'm praying that the side skirts in here are not destroyed, because look at this. This was definitely retaped again, and it had to be by UPS. The box is honestly in bad shape. Alright guys, let's unbox these side skirts here. Honestly, I'm really nervous right now because this box is not in the best shape. As you can see here, it was definitely retaped, I'm thinking by UPS, and the box is honestly in horrible condition. So far so good. Alright, so far so good. Everything looks like it's intact. Alright, so right here is the actual side skirts, and here is the winglets that are going to be on the side skirts. I'm happy because I got matching side skirts, matching front lip, and the rear diffuser is a different brand, but it's going to match all together. It's going to look really nice. It's gonna make my car look really aggressive. Alright, so I got the first one unboxed here, and it is not damaged whatsoever, which I'm extremely thankful for. And I'll unbox the other side skirt and the winglets, and I'll show you how it's gonna look like on my car, and I'll show you guys the front lip again, and I'll put it together how it's gonna look. Alright, here are the side skirts. And again, just like the front lip, the quality is phenomenal. It has a layer of protection on the lip and the winglets. And as you can see, there's winglets on both sides here and at the other end, and they're adjustable too. I can push them out a little bit, push them in, I can push them up a little bit so I can get exactly how I want it. Man, these look good. I'm excited, and the quality is phenomenal. Here's the hardware for the side skirts. Alright guys, so I laid these out over here so you can see how these look. We have the front lip with the winglets on both sides, and this quality looks phenomenal on here. Then you have the matching front lip, and it has the winglets on both ends of the lip. This end, they're a little bigger, which is going to be the back end of the car, and these will be on the front end of the car. Man, I'm excited to put these on. And the last thing I'm waiting for is my rear diffuser, which is going to be super aggressive as well. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing of my front lip and my side skirts. Today is September 16th, it's a Friday. On this upcoming Monday, I'm getting those installed. Right now in my building, I live in a parking garage and I don't really have room to work on my car. So my buddy's letting me go to his shop to get these installed on Monday. Another big thing that's happening on Monday is I'm getting my new wheels for my WRX. I know earlier in this video, which was yesterday, I kind of touched on it for a minute, but I'm really excited right now. I'm getting my dream wheels, which they're gonna look beautiful on my WRX. And I love my work XD9 wheels I have on my WRX right now. They look great. I had them for about 6 months or so and they look awesome. Wheels that I bought are my all-time favorite wheels. I'll be picking those up on Monday and I'll reveal them to you then. So keep an eye out for that video coming out. It should be posted hopefully on Monday that night, if not Tuesday morning. So I'm gonna end the video here. I know not much happened, did the unboxing and kind of told you guys what was going on, but there's a lot of big things happening for my WRX. So please leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you're new. Please leave a comment down below what you guys thought of my Aero pieces so far. And what kind of mods do you guys want to see on my WRX? Because as of right now, I have no Aero except for the STI wing that came on my car. And I'm debating on getting a GT wing to make it more aggressive. I have my Aero pieces that I'm putting on the car now. I'm thinking of doing interior mods, steering wheel, maybe switch out the seats and other carbon fiber bits inside the car. But let me know what you guys want to see. And remember, I respond back to every single comment I get. Peace out, and I'll see you guys in the next video.